Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video, we will solve this word problem. The problem says a snail travels I inches in s seconds. At this speed, how many feet can it travel in y hours? Now in this question, we are given the two things, the distance in inches and the time in seconds. So if the snail is traveling I inches in s seconds, so at this speed, how many feet? So the distance is not given, so we will consider x. Can it travel in y hours? So it is asking in hours, but here we have mentioned seconds, so we will convert hours into seconds. So we know that in 1 hour there are 60 minutes, and in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So 60 multiplied by 60 multiplied by y, it will be 3600 y. So x divided by I equal to 3600 y divided by s. So x equal to 3600, we will bring I over here. So 3600 I y divided by s. So this is in inches, but we have to convert it into feet. So x equal to 3600 iy divided by s. We know that in 1 feet there are 12 inches, so divided by 12, 3600 iy divided by s into, we will bring 12 over here, so it will be 1 divided by 12, 300 iy divided by s, because we will cancel 12 and 3600, so it will be 300 iy divided by s. So we can say that a snail can travel 300 iy divided by s inches. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.